Good morning. A lot of international games is going on today. We have games in the African nation, and also some European nations are playing today. So I've selected few games today. Let's see how today games will play out. So wish you guys good luck ahead. Today I have a game between Ponistija taking on Hypes in the Finland division. My prediction here is straight win. Then the next one we have still in that Finland, where Tampere Pale is taking on Tampere United. Home team win at full time. Then we have a game between Iraq taking on Oman. I go for a home team win at full time. Then I have a game here between Tunisia taking on Madagascar. You know, African games is always somehow, so I still believe Tunisia should be able to beat Madagascar in this encounter. But this game I see on the 3.5 also, you can play on the 3.5 goals, but I go for straight win. Then the last game on this ticket is a game between Algeria taking on Equatorial Guinea. Straight win for Algeria. So that gives us a total of 7.45 odds. If you want to join VIP and win the league, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section, where I drop short 2 odds every day, 5 to 20 odds. So chat me up if you are interested. Remember, it's a paid service. It's not free, not pay after. Okay, guys, I've said a whole lot here. Let's stop at that. And this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you are not using Sportybet, go to your local bookie and then select this game. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I will see you guys after the game. And remember to bet responsibly.